In the last video we have created a 3D text with key text placeholders, and if I click play, you can see this placeholder as a simple string. Now I show you how to replace this placeholder with your variable value. At first we create a simple button, and this button counts the value, and the counter right into placeholder. So we create a new folder, scripts, for example, and create a new C# script, count button or count behavior, and for counter. So, and now I modify this script. Okay, we don't need update or start method, and now I use private int counter and set the value to null or 0, and now we create public method count and and count the counter ++. Now if this method calls, the counter add 1 by 1. Now we use our localization service to modify the placeholder. It's really simple to use. You call the localization service and use this method, put placeholder. And now you have to specify your placeholder key. And as you see in your localization editor, we use this placeholder. I go to my key and put this placeholder inside there. And now I can add my counter into this placeholder. And everywhere you need to replace your placeholder or change the value of the placeholder, you can simply put placeholder with this key and your value. Okay, now I add a new button to scene, UI button, and move this button. So I change the name of the button. Okay, I open this text and set count ++, and then I put my counter script to canvas, for example, counter to canvas. There is my script, and on the button, on click function, I add new, put the canvas inside the object field, and use my count function or method to count the placeholder. Now I'm ready to start. I start the application, and you can see at the beginning the placeholder appears here, and if I push the button, I put my counter 1, and if I push again 2, 3, 4, and so on. And if I create a new button, and do some other actions and put the other placeholders inside there, I can use in different situations to change values. For example, if I have here health, I can simply write in different languages health, for example English health, German Gesundheit, or Russian жизни, and then put my text inside there.